Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Open Cakewalk and start by choosing Edit, then Preferences to access the Theme Editor. The Theme Editor button appears near the Appearance settings. Click the Theme Editor button to load an existing theme or create a new one from the default. Use the File menu to open a Cake theme file or choose New to begin customizing colors. Save frequently and save the theme file as Cake theme before making large changes or closing the program to avoid losing work. Select individual UI elements in the left panel and change color values using RGB or HEX inputs. Use the color picker or enter precise numbers to set exact shades. Adjust contrast and highlight values so text remains readable at 100% and on low brightness displays. Use the opacity slider for overlays and borders to fine-tune visual depth. Preview changes in the live preview pane and test different elements. Move to the Controls tab to modify button styles, font sizes, and control spacing across the interface. Change corner radiuses and border widths to match your visual preference and maintain usability. Test the theme within Cakewalk by toggling toolbars, track view, and console to inspect each area. Make incremental saves and use export to create a Cake theme file for backup. Import the exported Cake theme on another PC to replicate the custom interface or share it with collaborators.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.